We all know that Mother Nature can be unpredictable, right? One minute it's sunshine and rainbows, the next it's a raging storm. That's why being prepared for emergencies isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Organizations like FEMA and the Red Cross have put together comprehensive lists of emergency supplies so that we can be prepared to take care of ourselves and our loved ones when disaster strikes. The water is life itself. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, scaling rocky mountains, or just enjoying a day at the beach, having access to clean water is absolutely essential. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about survival. You can go without food for a while, but water is non-negotiable. Dehydration can set in quickly, leading to dizziness, confusion, and even more severe health issues. That's why it's crucial to always have a reliable source of water, especially when you're far from civilization. Your regular water supply could be cut off, so having a backup plan is crucial. Imagine a natural disaster striking, and suddenly, there's no running water in your home. It's a scenario many of us don't want to think about, but being prepared can make all the difference. I recommend a multi-pronged approach. This means not relying on just one method or source for your water needs. Diversifying your water storage and purification methods ensures that you have options no matter the situation. First, those water bricks everyone's talking about. They're great for long-term storage. These sturdy containers are designed to be stackable, making them perfect for maximizing space in your storage area. They're also made from durable materials that keep your water safe from contaminants. Keep a few of those tucked away. Whether you store them in a closet, basement, or garage, having a reserve of water bricks can provide peace of mind. They're easy to transport if you need to relocate quickly. Next, stock up on 2-liter bottles. They're easy to grab and go. These bottles are convenient for short-term use and can be easily packed into a backpack or emergency kit. Plus, they're readily available and inexpensive. And don't forget about your bathtub. It's an often overlooked resource that can hold a significant amount of water. A bathtub liner can turn your tub into a giant water reservoir in a pinch. These liners are designed to fit snugly in your tub, allowing you to store gallons of water safely. They're especially useful during hurricanes or other events where you have some advance warning. Now here's the catch: stored water doesn't last forever. Over time, even the best stored water can become contaminated or develop an off taste. Regularly rotating your water supply ensures that you always have fresh water on hand. You'll need a way to purify it. Water purification tablets are compact and effective. They're a great addition to any emergency kit because they're lightweight and easy to use. Just drop a tablet into your water bottle, wait the recommended time, and you have safe drinking water. Water purification tablets are compact and effective. They're a great addition to any emergency kit because they're lightweight and easy to use. Just drop a tablet into your water bottle, wait the recommended time, and you have safe drinking water. Boiling water for at least 1 minute is another reliable method. This age-old technique is highly effective at killing bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. If you have access to a heat source, boiling is a simple and efficient way to ensure your water is safe to drink. Remember, clean water can be the difference between staying healthy and getting seriously ill in an emergency. By taking the time to prepare now, you can ensure that you and your loved ones have access to safe drinking water, no matter what challenges come your way. Stay prepared, stay safe, and always prioritize your water needs. We live in a digital world, but when the grid goes down, cash is king. In our everyday lives, we rely heavily on digital transactions, from swiping our cards to tapping our phones. But what happens when technology fails us? ATMs won't work. Card readers will be useless. In such scenarios, having physical cash becomes not just convenient, but essential for survival. You need cold, hard cash, but not just any cash, the right kind of cash. Large bills might seem useful, but they can be problematic in emergencies. And here's the kicker: small denominations are key. Smaller bills like 1s, 5s, and 10s are much more practical when you need to make quick, small purchases. Imagine this. You need to buy a gallon of water, but the only cash you have is a $100 bill. The store clerk might not have enough change, leaving you in a tough spot. No one's going to have change. This can lead to frustration and missed opportunities to get essential items. That's why having at least $50 in smaller bills, 1s, 5s, and 10s, tucked away in your emergency kit is crucial. This small step can make a big difference in ensuring you have access to necessary goods and services when you need them most. So next time you think about emergency preparedness, don't forget the power of small bills. When your stomach's rumbling, the last thing you want to be doing is scrounging for food. That's why having a stash of non-perishable foods is a must. Think canned goods, tuna, beans, vegetables. They last for ages. Box meals like macaroni and cheese or pasta are easy to prepare. And don't forget about soups. They're hydrating and comforting. If you're feeling really adventurous, freeze-dried meals are lightweight and packed with nutrients. When the power goes out, a reliable light source is essential. Fumbling around in the dark is not only inconvenient, it's dangerous. A sturdy flashlight is a must-have. Make sure it's waterproof and shockproof. You never know what you'll encounter. Headlamps are game changers. They keep your hands free, which is crucial when you're navigating debris or setting up camp. And for general area lighting, a lantern can't be beat. Information is power, especially during an emergency. A hand-crank radio is a lifeline to the outside world. It lets you tune into NOAA weather alerts, news broadcasts, and crucial information from authorities. Look for a radio with multiple power sources, hand-crank solar, and even a USB port to charge your phone in a pinch. Batteries power our lives, and in an emergency, they become even more critical. Stock up on extra batteries for your flashlights, radios, and any other essential devices. Rechargeable batteries are a smart investment. Consider getting a solar charger or a hand-crank charger to keep those batteries juiced up. Accidents happen, especially in emergency situations. A well-stocked first aid kit is your first line of defense. Make sure it includes supplies for minor injuries like cuts, burns, and sprains. Don't forget about pain relievers, antiseptics, and bandages. It's also wise to have a basic trauma kit with a tourniquet and pressure bandages in case of more serious injuries. And don't forget about any essential, over-the-counter medications you or your family members rely on. In the chaos of an emergency, important documents can easily be lost or damaged. That's why it's crucial to store them safely. Make copies of your identification cards, insurance policies, medical records, and any other vital documents. Keep these copies in a waterproof and fireproof container. And here's a tip: scan those documents and store them digitally in a secure cloud service. We've become so reliant on GPS and our phones for navigation that we often forget about the humble paper map. But when technology fails, a good old-fashioned map can be a lifesaver. Keep a detailed map of your local area in your emergency kit. Highlight evacuation routes, potential shelters, and the locations of hospitals and police stations. Our phones are our lifelines. They're how we communicate, access information, and even navigate. But what happens when the power goes out and your phone battery dies? That's where power banks come in. These portable powerhouses can charge your phone multiple times, keeping you connected when it matters most. Invest in a high-capacity power bank from a reputable brand like Jackery. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even set up a DIY solar charging station to keep your power bank topped off. Those are the essential items that every emergency kit should have. An emergency kit is a crucial part of being prepared, but it's not the only step you should take. Check and update your emergency supplies, and making sure that everyone in your household knows where the emergency kit is located and how to use its contents. Practicing emergency drills at home can make a huge difference. Make sure everyone knows the emergency plan, including how to evacuate the house safely and where to meet up if you get separated. Teaching children about emergency supplies and how to use them can also be a lifesaver. What other items do you think are crucial for an emergency kit? There are many additional items that can be useful depending on your specific needs and circumstances. For example, if you have pets, make sure to include pet food and supplies. If anyone in your household has special medical needs, include extra medications and medical equipment. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and learning about the different ways people prepare for emergencies. Your suggestions might help someone else improve their own emergency kit. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. We regularly post new content on emergency preparedness, including tips, tutorials, and product reviews. By subscribing, you'll stay informed and ready for anything. Stay safe out there, and remember, preparation is key. Taking the time to prepare now can make all the difference when an emergency strikes. So take action today and ensure that you and your loved ones are ready for whatever comes your way.